All right, you guys, so this is my BBW shower gel collection. I have done past declutters, which include my body lotions and creams and scrubs. I've also did some candle stuff, so if you want to check those videos out, I'll have them linked. But today we're strictly going to be talking about my body washes from BBW, and we're going to see if there's any that I need to declutter or get rid of. Currently, I have about 59, and that also includes these like products over here as well. So we're gonna go through this and we're gonna see if there's anything that I need to declutter, as well as I'm probably gonna move some stuff around so that I can get to things that I do want to use quicker. I've already used this one, so I'm not gonna declutter this one. I would probably put it in a spring project or something, because I don't want to get rid of this half-used shower gel, I don't think. But yeah, so we have lavender. All right, we have a pieced ice raspberry Bellini. I might have a couple other shower gels from BBW that I was getting rid of, but it's just not in here. You'll eventually see what I'm getting rid of on my Macari, or if you want something like sold strictly to you and stuff like that. So you will see that soon. But yeah, so I don't know about getting rid of this one. I had put it in one of my declutters and then I took it out. So I don't know, this is still a maybe. I did really like the scent of this, and that's the reason why I didn't want to declutter it. It's still like taped up and things, but so this is a maybe. Definitely keeping this one. Haven't used this one yet. I'm gonna be keeping my coconut milkshake. We'll probably use this one in the future. Summer Melody, absolutely keeping. Have these two ginghams. I'm going to be keeping both of these, I'm pretty sure, simply because they are half used. I'm going to keep both of these and work on these in the spring. You guys, I'm holding this camera with my arm because my tripod is not long enough, but my arm is already starting to hurt. Okay, so we have a Midnight Amber Glow, which I really love the scent of this, so I might be keeping this one. Snowflakes and Cashmere. I have a couple of these, I can't remember, but keeping. Cozy Vanilla Bourbon, keeping. Beach Nights, absolutely keeping. Blueberry Sugar Pancakes, keeping. This Peach Prosecco Macaron, I'm keeping. I need to start putting some of these in my projects. Like, I've been wanting to keep them and hold on to them, but I don't want them to get too old. So I have this one. I also have the Pear Creme Brulee. Like, these are from a couple years ago. This is a beautiful collection. I wish they would bring it back. We have the Milk Bar, absolutely keeping. This is Poolside Cabana. I really like this one and it's used, so I'm gonna keep. This is the Ice Sugar Plum. I think I recently sold, well, not recently, but in my last declutter, I sold a set of this. We'll see. I'm gonna keep for now. The Whipped Rose and Vanilla. I feel like I need to pull out something strawberry, something rose for Valentine's Day. Something needs to be in my project. See this in an upcoming project? I'm not sure yet. Strawberry Soda, I'm gonna keep. Ooh, this is one of my favorites. I've been savoring this one for so long, but I think I'm going to use this up sometimes this summer, because I mean, I've had it for a long time. This is the Pineapple Mango. This is a maybe. This is a Tahiti Island Dreams, keeping. Start moving my slightly used shower gels to one side so that I can start working on them and just, you know, stop leaving them in my collection. This is a Honey Wildflower. I'm gonna keep, but it's not my favorite scent. I did get rid of the body care, so I got rid of the body care a while ago. But yeah, I'm gonna keep this. Keeping. Also keeping. This is the Pink Pineapple Sunrise. This comes back like every year, so I don't think anyone would want this, but it's in the maybe pile. This is the Bridgerton Diamond of the Season, keeping. We have a Strawberry Snowflakes, keeping. Vanilla Bean Noel, keeping. We have the Candied Violet Sorbet. I don't think I like this one, y'all. I don't know. I think I want to get rid of this. It was used just a tiny bit. I don't know, y'all. I might get rid of that one. Champagne sprinkles. You guys, I'm tempted to get rid of this one because it is brand new, still sealed, never used. But again, I never use it. So I'm kind of tempted to get rid of this one. I'm not 100% sure yet. Let me know if anyone would be interested if I did. We can bundle stuff. The Wild Madagascar Vanilla, I'm going to keep. Ice Lemon Pound Cake, keeping. Also keeping. Christmas cookies. This one is from a couple years ago. I really need to be opening and using this one, but I'm pretty sure I'm keeping. Yeah, raspberry tangerine. I'm not sure if I should keep this one or not. This is in the maybe pile. Pink watermelon blast. Again in the maybe pile, but I kind of want to keep this one, so we'll see. Pretty as a peach, I'm gonna keep. Sweet kiwi and star fruit. I feel like I got rid of the body care for this, and now it's like, what am I gonna do with this if I got rid of the body care? So I kind of want to get rid of this one too, but I need to double check to make sure I got rid of the body care. Fruity sherbet scoop. I don't know if I want to keep this one, y'all. I kind of want to get rid of this one. Again, another in a maybe pile. I think I'm going to go ahead and get rid of this poppy. I think it's gonna go with the poppy body butter. I think I'm gonna make that a little set to get rid of. This is Meet Me in Miami. I'm gonna keep. Forever Sweet, definitely keeping this one. I have a Cotton Candy Clouds. Oh, I gotta think about this one. This is a maybe. I knew I had a backup of Snowflakes and Cashmere. I guess I'll keep that one. I knew I had a backup of Strawberry Snowflakes. I don't know that I need both of these. We'll see, man. And then a backup of my bubblegum pop. Did I even pull out a bubblegum pop? I don't know, but I'm keeping this one for sure. Let's see. What else do we have? Move this out the way. Okay, I just have this little bit of stuff over here. So this is a cinnamon donut swirl. I kind of want to get rid of this one. I feel like it was very, very strong. I did use up one of these in the past, but I think I'm willing to get rid of this one. Vanilla mocha martini. I might be willing to get rid of this one as well. I'm not sure. This one I'm definitely keeping. I'm thinking about getting rid of my Dream Bright Bubble Bath. I've never used this, and since I'm getting rid of the body butter, I might go ahead and get rid of this as well. This is the Sensitive Skin Kaleido Oatmeal Bubble Bath. I'm gonna keep this one. This is the exfoliating one. I'm keeping this one. Keeping this as well. Also keeping this one as well. These three, I'm on the fence about if I should get rid of these. They are not used, but I don't never use them. So the moisturizing body washes, I kind of have like a love-hate with them. Like sometimes I want to use them, sometimes I don't. They are pretty thick, almost like a lotion-y consistency. So these are in the maybe pile. So if you are interested in this, let me know, because I might be willing to go ahead and get rid of that. But yeah, guys, so that is all of the items cleaned out. I'm gonna put things back in here, and then I'm gonna show you what it looks like. All right, you guys, so this is currently what my shower gels are looking like. I am getting rid of a few, but honestly, I'm gonna leave them in here for now. I'm pretty sure I'm going to be pulling one of these out for February, one or two out for February. So that's where these are sitting here. But yeah, this is pretty much what my collection is looking like now. I didn't really get rid of many. I'm just gonna kind of sit the ones that I'm thinking about getting rid of towards the front. If there's anything in particular that you've seen that you are interested in that I said is a maybe, go ahead and shoot me a message or something. You can email me. My email is always in the description box, or you can Instagram me or something. But yeah, you guys, that is currently what it is looking like. Okay, and I will see you again in another video. Bye, guys.